Do you ever find yourself struggling to come up with quick and easy recipes for busy weeknights? Well, you're in luck, because today, I'm going to share some amazing dish ideas that will save you time and still satisfy your taste buds. First up, we have a delicious one-pot pasta dish that can be cooked in under 20 minutes, perfect for those hectic evenings. If you're craving something hearty and comforting, why not try making a flavorful chicken and vegetable casserole that requires minimal effort but delivers maximum flavor? For a lighter option, how about a refreshing salad that combines crisp greens, juicy tomatoes, and a zesty homemade dressing that you can whip up in a flash? Now it's time for a quick and easy dessert. My personal favorite, banana ice cream made with just frozen bananas and a splash of vanilla extract. But let's not forget about breakfast. Start your day off right with a delicious and nutritious smoothie bowl, topped with your choice of fruits and crunchy granola. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Infused water with a mix of fruits and herbs is a tasty and healthy way to quench your thirst during those hectic evenings. So there you have it. A collection of quick and easy recipes to help you conquer those busy weeknights without sacrificing flavor or nutrition.